big day today. They have got the slab poured in the big shed. They have it formed up for the apron out front. Rebars in. They said it'll probably be Tuesday. It's currently Wednesday. It'll be next Tuesday when they come to pour this. Just because of rain tomorrow and other obligations for Monday, I guess. So it'll be pushed off till Tuesday. But yeah, rebar's done, gravel's done. They've graveled the driveway and graded it back. Not completely finished, but pretty damn nice. Let's take a look inside. Lights on. Get a feel. Feels nice. Don't leave a footprint. Boy, is it hot in there. Oh my good golly. I'll let you have a look. I'm not going to walk on it. I'll walk on it tomorrow. But it is down. Now should I go, close the door. Don't get my finger stuck in the door. I'll walk around to the back. Bones is inspecting. Okay. Yeah, it was quite a big day today. They had 6 concrete trucks, one after another, and they used a concrete, well, it's a conveyor belt. Large truck, big long conveyor. I'll try to do a little bit of editing on this video, add in some footage of all of that kind of stuff. Concrete conveying truck was brand new. They said it cost $475,000, and this is the 4th job it's been at. So it was a pretty impressive piece of equipment. They said that the reach could be 110 feet from the back of that conveyor truck to the tip where the concrete comes out. They can unload, well, they were at least unloading 2 trucks at a time here, and yeah, it was very impressive. Two trucks ready to unload. Out the belt conveyor and pouring concrete at the other end. Yeah, we got a pad here. That's just going to be for the walk-in door in the back. I didn't even know they did that. I don't know when they did it, but and now we can get a little look at the concrete from this side. Boy, is it hot in here. Oh my, it's like a sauna. Very, very hot and very, very humid. That concrete is creating some heat. No bones, you cannot go in there. Yeah. Okay. Well, very big day. Got a little bit more grading of the dirt, but looks pretty doggone nice. All in all, for all the work that was done today. So, don't have any complaints, that's for sure. Those guys knew what they were doing. All right. Good tour today. Well, some people say they want to see who I am and what I look like. I don't know why. I'll get a slow pan, hold it in my hands here. There I am. I think it swept across my face. I'll have to check it in the video later. I'm not actually switching the camera, just panning around. So, okay. Me and Bones are gonna go back up to the house. Bye.